I'm talking with Ian Sugarbroad, the CEO of Zinwave, on the opening day of communication here for Total Telecom TV. Ian, you've got a major announcement with Comtek Korea. Tell us what that's about.
Well, what we're trying to do at Zinwave and Comtek is blend what's been our traditional marketplace of build to order, which means we take our time with a design, we produce a very low cost product based on volume, and it always stays the same. And blend that with the Korean approach, which is very rapid design and very innovative design and continual change. So we're trying to use their rapid design technique with our low cost technique to produce a world-class product at the lowest cost point with really innovative features in it that we can evolve very rapidly.
And this is for bringing more capacity within buildings. Tell us a bit more about the detail and something called POI that's involved.
Okay. So the product involved is called a POI, which is an acronym for Point of Interconnect. And basically what this means is when we bring a signal into a building, for a very large building, so you've got to get capacity inside it, we have multiple mobile network operators, base stations, and we need to connect them to a common system in the building, which is our Zinwave DAS. And by doing that, we need to be able to control the input levels and be able to do alarms if things go wrong and be able to move signals around. And that's a piece of equipment which is, in the trade, we call it RF plumbing. Right. And that's basically what it is. It's plumbing and pipes and switches and things. And but if you don't do it in a nice, controlled manner in terms of a nice design structure, you end up with a Meccano set spread all over your comms room. And so the idea of POI is very compact, very flexible, switches in the right places, software remote controls, and that way we can actually manage the capacity that's coming in. If anything goes wrong, we know about it in advance, we can take proactive action remotely. And so this is all about improving the quality of signals in the building, the capacity of signals in the building, basically making sure your smartphone works anywhere.
So it's really going to help installers, considerably on what they had before.
The installers before had a nightmare. In fact, they still do today. Installers have an extremely tough job. They have to deal with multiple different manufacturers' equipment being all hooked together, right, with multiple sets of drawings from the multiple people involved. It's a nightmare today, and we're trying to simplify it.
And this announcement really is part of some considerable growth for you guys across Asia.
We're going to more than double in Asia this year. We have put in a major expansion. We've added people this year working out of the Philippines. We put a manager into Australia. We're really seeing the growth already and predicting it's going to grow even bigger.
Well, congratulations on the news. Thanks very much for talking to us.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.